This is a Volkswagen Tiguan 2010 model, and the fuel control module, what this is, needs to be replaced. My car, there's a 70 to 90% probability this is it, because the car is jerking like it pumps fuel in and out fuel, and this is what controls it. So we're going to go with this. 100,000 miles, so might as well fix it. If this doesn't fix it, then it's going to be something to do with the fuel pump, but we're pretty sure it's this. So there are going to be bolts here in the front, here and there. There's little like plastic holes, plastic little, take them off, remove that 70 millimeter here, and then move the seat forward. There'll be on the bottom here, there'll be two 17 millimeters, remove them. Make sure to remove both of these, because there's a plastic like a thing over it, and the whole seat comes out. There it is. Then this thing comes out. Remove this rubber grommet so you can full access to it. Now as far as, now I already removed it, obviously, you know, this is plugged in here. I'm not going to put it back, and this was like this, but there are these two plastic notches that go over and down on the left side and on the right side. And I found that if you take a flat screwdriver, just kind of go like this a little bit, pry it up, and kind of wiggle, pull on the cable a little bit, and then just alternate and do it like this 2-3 times. This whole thing pops out, and that's it. You don't need special tools. Get a flat head and just kind of like I said, pull this up a little bit, pull on it, pull this up a little bit, and in 30 seconds this came out, and that's it. And then just reverse it, put it back in. So another thing you want to check for when you remove the module, it's not here already, you want to check the wires. One of my wires was actually really badly cut, and I think it's because it's in here, and these things are a little bit. And what happens is, I think because part of this comes through here, and it, well, I don't know. Honestly don't know, because there's carpet over it, so that the moving the chair back and forth, the seat wouldn't do anything. This is, but yeah, spec yours. I think that's what the issue is with mine. I've already ordered a new control module, so we're just gonna put it in, the new one, because they do fail in 100,000 miles. So it's just be like a preventative, but I'm pretty damn sure this is it. So you want to turn off your battery when you're working, stuff like this, because the fuel's here. I mean, I'm just gonna use this here, because it'll be fine. Inspect the rest of your wires. Yeah, so inspect your wires. Somehow this thing got cut, and you can see here it's a little bit. See the, here's a little bit, I don't know, weird.